Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back again to another video. So today is just going to be an inventory pickup day. I got two Walmarts that I'm going to. The first one is like 40 minutes away and the second one is closer to my house. The first Walmart I'm going to, I'm only picking up like two products, but in that general area there's like three. I'm testing out this one product that makes like $5 per unit, and I'm trying to see how well this thing sells. If it sells well, I'm probably gonna come back again and pick up more products from all three of those Walmarts in that area. Uh, this product that I'm picking up is only in that area that I can get that product. So I don't wanna I don't wanna buy too much and not for it to not sell. So I'm gonna get some sales data first before I go deep into it. The second one is another test. It's not It doesn't really profit that much, but it's something new that I can add to the store that makes a decent profit, higher than 10%. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up those products, and then at the second Walmart, I'm picking up some replens, and then I'm probably gonna get a shipment done today. It's Thursday, so I'm probably gonna try to get it ready by Friday. All right, so I was wrong. I thought the Walmart was 40 minutes away. I just punched it into the GPS. That thing is 52 minutes away, so I guess there might be traffic. But um, I got some good news about the store. So a lot of the items that I've been selling over the past year, some items that have tanked, all of the FBA sellers are like sold out. So I'm playing the game of speed. I'm trying to get products into the warehouses as fast as I can so I can capitalize on those products that have no FBA sellers, because I could potentially get in and reset the price back to better margins. I have the data that they all sell. I just need to get my hands on the items faster than the people that brought the price down before they come back in. So in December right now, I'm just playing the speed game. And I'm testing a little bit more. I'm always testing products because products are always changing. Some are getting profitable, some are not profitable anymore. But I have a good bit of like other products lined up that have very high like ROI and net margins. They're not from Walmart, which is nice because most of the products that I get are from Walmart. So it's nice to have different suppliers that offer more products at better margins too. I'm testing another supplier that I don't want to give away, but alright guys, so welcome back. I'm not gonna lie, when I went to go pick up those products, I legit was running on like 2 hours of sleep. So after I got back from picking up those products, I went to sleep and I didn't get to making my shipment on Thursday. Today's Friday now. So I missed my time to get a UPS pickup because it's the weekend now. So I'm just going to go ahead and prep all the stuff here and then get it ready to get sent out on Monday. So there's a decent amount of stuff here. This is probably going to take about, I would say, maybe like 4 boxes to fit all this stuff in. I got a decent amount of replens. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 replens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 new items. Yeah, 21 different ASINs going out this shipment. Half is replens and then half is new items that I'm testing. Crap, I think I screwed up. There's actually 22 ASINs going out, not 21. I might just have, actually, I mean, I didn't screw up. I got it right. So yeah, there's 21 ASINs. So we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so there's 21 ASINs and 158 units getting sent out. And a lot of this stuff here is really light, so I'm pretty sure shipping is good. It's not going to be expensive. So that means cost per unit might actually be about like around 50 cents. I'm guessing around 50 cents. Could be lower. 4, 5, 6. All right. All right, so I got some news about the Walmart store. So I think last time I was holding on to some inventory, where the inventory took forever to get checked in, but it also took a while for it to sell because I kind of had my prices a little higher than the competitors on the listing. Once I finally like repriced, they sold in. Some of them sold instantly, not all of them. So I think going based off of reviews on Walmart is actually like a decent way to figure out how well the stuff sells. I think I lost some money on those products, but at least I know that at least I know how to buy now. So pretty much what I need to do is probably just find products with a higher margin, and I should be good with making some decent money in Walmart. My money's getting held for like 14 days though, so it's good to just get the account seasoned before I start to go serious into selling on Walmart. Which I probably won't get serious into selling Walmart. Maybe like next year. I'm not too sure. I'm too busy trying to build up the Amazon stuff. I thought I was going to be able to handle both, but it's actually pretty hard. I can't keep up with both businesses by myself. Like I probably need to have one built up first. So at the time of this recording right now, December sales, I'm not gonna lie, December is kind of a little rough. But with all the stuff that I'm sending in December right now, I think January should actually be a pretty big month. If this stuff gets checked in quick enough, I think January might be another 4-figure month. And then hopefully the decent sales that I get in December should help with getting some inventory in, or having money to get some inventory in January. Because I'm sending in some high net profit stuff in right now. Like one of the products in here makes like, actually 2 products in here make at least $10 per unit, and there's 30 of one and then there's 20 of another one, so that's like $500, and I know they sell well too. Most of the stuff here, I think the profits are around like $2 to $3. So they're $2 to $3, but the ROI profit margins are just mixed up two things. I meant to say the net profit margin numbers are pretty good. The ROIs are pretty good. I don't really go much off of ROI because at the end of the day, net profit is what gets put into your pocket. Like when I'm doing product research and stuff, I don't really care about ROI. But I would care if I invested. If I invested money into something, then ROI would be a metric that I would pay attention to. So I remember mentioning in previous videos that I don't buy stuff a lot that has discounts. But every now and then when some special times come, like Cyber Monday, and the sites have like discounts applied to everything, the stuff that I buy actually gets like better margins. So some of the stuff here I actually got for discounts, and the margins are way bigger, which is why two of the products that are in here, their profit margins jump to like $10, because normally they don't. Alright, so 158 units, all labeled. I had no leftover stickers, so everything is accounted for, which is great. I don't have to go back and edit anything. Now I just gotta fit everything into a box, into multiple boxes. That took a solid 20 some minutes. Alright, so everything is going to be fit. Everything is going to be 5 boxes for this entire shipment. Get to measuring, measuring and weighing. We'll go ahead and start with the Walmart boxes first. Alright, first box, 19.11. So we're going to go 20 pounds. It has 6 of those, and $21.10, so we're gonna do 22. This box has $29.13, so it's gonna be 30. Alright, so this one is 24.0. I'm not gonna round up on this one, I'm just gonna put 24. What do we have in here? Right, this one's pretty light. 9.11, so we're gonna do 10. Alright. We have like 2 items in there. Alright, so this entire shipment weighs 106 pounds. The placement fees is $32.43. The estimated shipping fees is $47.09, so a total of $79.52, and it's 158 units. So let's do the math on that. Let's do $79.52 divided by 158. So I was right. So it's 50 cents per unit. So, and I'm gonna have to do a UPS pickup. I'm gonna assume that that's gonna be $25.25. Divide that by 158. So the UPS pickup is gonna be 16 cents per unit. So that's 50 plus. So this entire shipment is 0.66 cents per unit. Times that by 158. So I gotta make $104 off of this whole shipment to pay for it. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I just gotta label these boxes and then get them ready to be shipped out Monday. As always, if you stayed all the way to the end and watched this entire video, thanks for sticking all the way to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.